Hello, traders. Gary Wagner here. Just after 12 noon in Honolulu, 6 o'clock in New York. It is Thursday, 22nd day of April, 2021, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. We did have price declines in both gold and silver today. In the case of silver futures, we were stopped out of our long futures position, but with a real nice profit, about $4,400 per COMEX contract. We'll detail that when we pull up our technical studies. We are still long gold and gold Forex or spot. For those that did pull profits in their gold trade when it hit around 1,800, just shy by about $1. And for those that were stopped out in a nice profit in silver, we will definitely let you know when it is time to re-enter the market. The show, though, begins now. Gold pricing corrected today, the first time since Monday's small decline, and that, of course, followed the dynamic move up on Thursday and Friday, a total of approximately $38, signaling the last or current leg of this rally. Today, gold lost $9.10 and is currently fixed at $1,784. What we can say about today's modest $9 decline is a couple things. First of all, we absolutely have some resistance that continues to be evident in the market at $1,800 as well as $1,802, which represents the 100-day moving average. The second thing is that today's close comes in right at, it's actually a couple of cents below that, 1784.40. Current print is 1784.00, and that, of course, is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, and that to me is a pretty critical area, and it's a strong area that we would like to see gold pricing hold. We would also welcome a close above 1,800. That, of course, would signal that this rally is fully intact, but we could also see a consolidation. When we convert our daily candlestick chart into a Japanese average or Henkin Ashi, what we see is that today's candle itself does contain a small lower tail. We don't want to see that on the way up. Body size has been reduced, but it is not as small as what we witnessed on Tuesday. And as I said, the likelihood that this market would consolidate and trade sideways, to me, is more likely than a strong sell-off at this point. Nonetheless, yesterday we did raise our stops. Currently, we're long at 1744. Our stop is at 1760. Today's low was 1777.10. Maintain your current long position. For those that pulled profits as the market touched very, very closely to 1,800 and pulled back, maintain a neutral stance, and I will indicate when it is proper to re-enter from the long side. On the record, we are still long from 1744. Our current stops are at 1760. As a side note, for those members that look at the chart gallery over this last week, we have added a number of Japanese-style charts, such as what you're seeing, the Kaji chart. We've also added the three-line break chart, as well as the Renko chart. Silver also followed suit with a decline of 37.5 cents, 1.41%, but considering yesterday's dynamic 3% gain, it gave back a little less than half of that particular price move. SLV, the iShares Silver Trust, also lost 49 cents per share today, currently fixed at $24.21. That is a drawdown of 2%. We went long SLV at 23.25. Our current stop at 23.97 did hold with the low today of 24.11 per share. Traders, we are looking at a daily chart of May silver, and the fact of the matter is we entered a long position back on the 6th of April, and we entered it right in here in terms of the price point. We got in at 25.21. If you recall, we moved our stops up just the other day to 26.10. This is $26 right here. It is just below this low that comes in at 26.02. So effectively 26.10 did stop our traders out, but they stopped us out with a nice profit. Considering that we entered the trade at $25.21, we got out at $26.10. We made 89 cents per ounce times the COMEX contract of 5,000 ounces. We made $4,450 per contract on silver. While we were stopped out of our silver futures and Forex with a nice profit, we do remain long SLV. You can see that the current stop is at $23.97. Nonetheless, even if a stop would be hit in this area, we would get out with a decent profit. Our remaining long positions in gold, both Forex spot and futures, are set that if they do get hit, they get hit with profit. In the case of Forex or spot gold, that is currently at $1783.40. That's down about $9.80 in trading today. The low on the day was $77.51, and we have our stop at $17.59. So far away from any of the recent lows, right about here. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the weekly wrap-up and review. Bye-bye.